Hi guys, welcome back to my blog and marketing studio, and today I would like to invite you to join me explore what's inside the oldest mall here in Davao City. In the early 1990s, Victoria Plaza, the oldest mall in the city, opened its door to Davaoenos along JP Laurel Avenue, which was formerly known as Bajada. The first time I visited this mall when I was still elementary, I was amazed how huge the mall was. Meron pa itong fountain at the ground floor with a merry-go-round. If hindi ako nagkakamali, pagbukas ng mall na to, dito namin binili yung unang-una naming brick game. A brick game is a popular console game in the 90s. Victoria Plaza occupied a gross land area of 81,000 square meters. In the 90s, it is the biggest mall in Mindanao. Before Limso Shopping Center in Cagayan de Oro established in the mid-90s. Some of the famous shops inside and outside this mall are like Footstep, Penthouse, Petco, Jollibee, and some restaurant situated inside and outside this mall complex. Footsteps are known by Davaoenos for selling top quality shoes and sandals before other shoe shop came along. Back then, when we were still kids, we always asked money for our parents or relative just to take a ride at the carousel located at the ground floor just beside the fountain. The Penthouse, on the other hand, is a friendly neighborhood for those who are looking for school supplies and office supplies. Back when we were college, we used to buy our school supply in Penthouse for our plates or projects when I was still studying architecture at the University of Mindanao. Petco was also one of the places in the mall where pet lovers usually make tambay. They display adorable pets such as cats and dogs, which are irresistibly cute. While some of the most famous restaurants in the mall were already gone, yet some continues to serve and satisfy every Davaoeno palate. Today, Victoria Plaza may be old, but it will always be the mall that continues to bring some good vibes for all Davaoenos who shops inside this mall. And today, the historical Victoria Plaza has a new owner and management, the homegrown New City Commercial Corporation or NCCC Mall. Victoria Plaza will no longer be the same in the coming years as its new owner has already laid down plans for its transformation into a much modern, upscale, cutting-edge business hub in Davao City. The new Victoria complex was designed by Elements Habitary, a Hong Kong-based company that also designed some iconic buildings in Asia, including Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, the Galaxy in Macau, and Okada, Manila. Pero kahit magbago pa ang Victoria Plaza, but good memories will last forever. Welcome to the oldest mall in Davao City, Victoria Plaza.
Everyone will agree. Higil yung kalibutan, ang kada adlaw, oh, malipay yung tanan, it's gonna be a happy day for me. And you, if you want it, all you gotta do is say it, claim it, sing it, kick your heels and dance it. Makita sa mata, sa ngisi ko katawa, it's gonna be a happy day. Sa paglakaw-lakaw, kiay sayaw-sayaw, it's gonna be a happy day. Maong hiling usas mga adlaw nga ang kalibutan mo hunong para nimo. I'm feeling free and come what may. Maog yun ang adlaw nga gipaabot ko. It's gonna be a happy day, adlaw-adlaw for me. It's gonna be a happy day, everyone will agree. Ug daga ang higil yung kalibutan, ang kada adlaw, oh, malipay yung tanan, it's gonna be a happy day for me, a happy day, adlaw-adlaw for me. It's gonna be a happy day, everyone will agree. Ug daga ang higil yung kalibutan, ang kada adlaw, oh, malipay yung tanan, it's gonna be a happy day for me. heels and dance it. Awaken amazing.
Victoria Plaza, the plaza for all.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Architect Studio by Architect Gerald Patrick Haraya. Congrats, Gerald.